You've probably heard the advice, pay yourself first. But what does that really mean? It's not about splurging on yourself after payday. It's about making your future self your top bill before rent, before groceries, before anything else. Welcome to our Money Saver Society channel. I am Miriam. When you pay yourself first, you're telling your money who's boss. You're making saving automatic instead of optional. And that's where real financial freedom begins. Most people save what's left after spending, but here's the twist. Successful savers flip that script. They save first, then spend what's left. Think of your savings as a monthly bill to your future self. You don't try to remember to pay it. It's automatic, consistent, and non-negotiable. If you earn $3,000 per month, decide that 10% or $300 goes straight into savings or investment the moment your paycheck hits. You'll quickly learn to live comfortably on the remaining $2,700 without even noticing the difference. Number 1, choose your savings goal emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses, travel or big purchase fund, investing in a retirement fund. Tip: name your savings account something inspiring like the Freedom Fund or the Peace of Mind account. It helps psychologically to reinforce why you're saving. Number 2, automate it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account on payday. This way, your saving habit occurs before you have a chance to change your mind. If your employer allows direct deposit splitting, consider having a portion of your paycheck sent directly to your savings. Out of sight means out of temptation. Number 3, treat it like a bill. Never skip it. Never borrow from it, and never feel guilty about it. This is your financial self-care plan in action. Because discipline beats motivation, you don't have to remember to save, you just have to design a system that makes saving automatic. Once you see your balance growing each month, saving becomes addictive. You'll start finding creative ways to spend less and save more, not because you have to, but because you want to. Let's be honest, saving is not always easy. There are bills, kids, gas, rent, groceries, and more, and sometimes it feels impossible to set anything aside. But that's why this method is so powerful. You're not saving what's left, you're saving first, even if it is $20. Remember, it's not about the amount, it is about the habit. Consistency builds confidence, and confidence builds wealth. If you want to change your financial story, start by changing the order of your priorities. Make saving your first bill, not your last afterthought, because when you pay yourself first, your money starts working for you, not the other way around. Tell me, what's one thing you would love to start saving for? Comment below. Be on the lookout for my upcoming ebook, Smart Money on a Small Budget, your step-by-step guide to saving smarter, spending wiser, and building wealth on any income. Like this video, subscribe, and share this with someone who's ready to take control of their finances.